Today, Group 2 will present Problem 3. Plant-based meat was once considered the future of food. However, recent market trends shows that demand is slowing down. Now, let's take a closer look at the current situation. Meat alternative sales are declining. What is next for the future of food? So today, we propose hybrid shumai made with tofu.
Today's ingredients are 120 grams of brown chicken, 60 grams of silken tofu, 20 grams of shiitake mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a pinch of pepper and salt, a dumpling wrapper, some cooking oil, and a little water for steaming. First, wrap the tofu in kitchen paper to drain the excess water. Too much moisture will ruin the texture of the shumai after steaming. Tofu is high in protein and low in fat. It also helps reduce the amount of meat while boosting the nutrition. It also contains calcium, vitamin K, and soy-derived isoflavones, which support bone health and provide antioxidant benefits.
Let it rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. For this recipe, we are using ground chicken, which is high in protein and relatively healthy. Next, finely chop 3 shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake is rich in dietary fiber, which improves gut health, slows blood sugar spikes, and helps lower cholesterol. It also contains vitamin D, essential for strong bones, along with vitamins B and minerals. Fresh shiitake is packed with glutamic acid, a natural umami component that deepens the flavor of dishes.
Put the tofu into a Ziploc bag. Add the minced chicken. Season with salt and pepper. Next, add the soy sauce. Finally, add the shiitake mushroom that we chopped earlier. Mix everything inside the Ziploc bag. This reduces the need for the extra utensils and cuts down on washing.
Cut off one corner of the bag to make a pipe-style opening. Pipe the filling onto the dumpling wrappers and lightly fold them to shape. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add some oil. Place the shumai in the pan and let them cook. Once the bottoms are golden brown, add water to steam. Steaming makes the texture moist and tender while locking in the flavor of the ingredients.
Here we have raw red meat heated with water. As the meat is heated, we can see the color and the texture change. Protein denaturation occurs when heat changes the natural structure of proteins in the meat. Before heating, proteins are folded into specific shapes. During cooking, heat breaks the weak bonds holding the structure together, so it will causing the proteins to unfold. As heating continues, the unfolded protein coagulate and form a creamer structure. This is why the texture of the meat changes from soft and raw to firm and cooked. Denaturation also contributes to changes in color and texture during cooking. Here, the thick dim sum wrapper is mixed with water and cooked using heat. As it cooks, the wrapper becomes softer and easier to shape. This reaction happens when starch is heated together with water. During heating, The hydroxyl group OH in the starch interacts strongly with water molecules, causing the hydrogen bonds inside the starch granules to weaken and break. As water enters the granules, the starch absorbs more water and begins to swell. With increasing temperature, some amylose molecules leak out into the mixture, making the texture thicker, softer, and more viscous. This process gives the wrapper a smoother and softer consistency after cooking, which improves the overall texture and mouthfeel of the product. This reaction happens when protein from the meat reacts with carbohydrates from the wrapper during heating, and color of the food changes into brown. So, during pan frying, the high temperature causes carbohydrates in the dumpling wrapper to break down into simple sugars such as glucose, which contain reactive carbonyl group C double bond O. These carbonyl groups then react with amino acid in the meat protein through the Maillard reaction. The reaction first forms unstable glycosylamine compounds which continue to rearrange and break down into many new compounds during heating. As the reaction progresses, brown pigments called melanoidins together with aroma and flavor compounds are produced, giving the dim sum its golden brown color, crispy surface, savory aroma, and richest flavor.
By combining tofu with chicken, we can greatly reduce the impact on the environment. Chicken produces 4.3 kilograms of carbon dioxide per 100 grams of protein, tofu just 1.6 kilograms. Compared to using only chicken, carbon emissions drop significantly, and there are cost benefits too. Our hybrid product contains 60% minced chicken, 30% tofu, and 10% shiitake mushroom. While chicken alone costs Rm 2.713 per 100 grams, the hybrid product costs only Rm 2.041, about 35% cheaper. By adding tofu and shiitake, we created a more affordable and environmentally friendly option.